Good day guys, pakita lang natin yung ginawa natin for Sir Brian of Lapu-Lapu City. So ang pinagawa natin sa atin ni Sir Brian is nagpapalit siya ng Glock non-adjustable trigger tsaka high impact hammer roller. So dalawang brand new WE Gen 3 G17 Gen 3 ang kinuha ni Sir. So may high impact hammer roller din ito and then yung non-adjustable trigger. So pakita lang natin. I-test lang natin. So hindi pa natin natetest to. So check muna natin yung mga magazines kung may leak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So walang leak. So ayan, hindi kasi ayaw kasing ipatest ng owner yung unit niya hanggat hindi nalalagyan ng high impact hammer roller. So out of the box, pinalagyan niya na ng high impact hammer roller. Then pinapalitan na rin niya ng trigger. So alam naman natin lahat na mga mga Glock 17 Gen 3, Glock 17 Gen 3 users na yung stock trigger ng Gen 3 is nag-i-stack up minsan. So G17 Gen 3 with high impact hammer roller and adjustable non-adjustable trigger for Sir Brian of Lapu-Lapu City. Firing. So walang bala. Naging smooth na rin. Another G17 Gen 3 with high impact hammer roller and CNC trigger. Firing. Okay, thank you very much, sir.